Are you ready for something special in your life? Want to learn how to earn extra money and passive income with Forex trading? We are here to help you succeed. Our industry-leading platform and unmatched expertise make us the ultimate choice for traders seeking minimal risk and maximum returns. The global foreign exchange market is the world's largest market, where approximately $7.5 trillion is traded daily, 5 days a week. The Forex market is almost 10 times larger than the crypto and stock markets combined. It is too large and important for the global economy to fail. Because of that, it is protected by the central banks, which consistently work to prevent their currencies from losing too much value or getting too strong. Companies can close down, the stock and crypto markets can crash, but it is very rare for the Forex market to collapse. Why? Because currencies form the foundation of nations, and they are the lifeblood of the economies around the world. Is the Forex market safe? Definitely not. But with the right strategies, it is much safer and lucrative than stocks and cryptocurrencies. It's also a fantastic way to make passive income and grow your wealth if you know how to do it the right way, because you will have multiple opportunities to make profits daily. Want to learn how to trade on the foreign exchange without worrying about the next market crash? Whether you're a newbie, currently trading Forex, a crypto or stock investor, this is for you. Just click on the link to register now to learn more and become one step closer to achieving financial freedom.